Hi everyone, got a blurry or pixelated photo? Today, I'll show you how to enhance and upscale a low resolution images in Prome AI. Let's get started. First, go to promeai.com and log in. Then here in the main dashboard, look for the image enhance or AI upscale feature. Then, you can upload your image here. Just select a low resolution image, and this can be an old photo or artwork or screenshot that you want to restore or resharpen. Then the Prome AI gives you an enhancement option like the standard enhance for clarity and sharpness, a face enhance for perfect for portraits, or 2 times or 4 times upscaling or high resolution output. Choose what's best fits your image. Then click enhance and let the AI do its magic. You'll see your image transform in a cleaner lines, boosted details, and crisp quality without losing the style. Now hit download once you're done editing your image into a high resolution. Use enhanced image for design projects, prints, or social media content. And that's how you turn your low resolution into a high impact visuals with a few clicks. Thanks to Prome AI. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.